Hello, rock stars. My name is Emily Zubi, and I'm the CEO of Rockstar Health. The future of aesthetics is here, and I am thrilled to share my experience with the Life Altering Stem Cell Institute. It has not only been life changing, it has been incredible. I could not be more excited to partner with the Stem Cell Institute and start Rockstar Health because I embarked on a journey in December, went to Mexico and got my first treatment, turning 65. And I thought to myself, it was time to give a little freshen up, and that was non surgical. And that's exactly what I did. I flew to Polanco, which is the Beverly Hills of Mexico, and went to the Life Altering Stem Cell Institute. I wanted to try the stem cells and had read so much about it. The first thing we started with was the intake to get my medical history. Once we did that, we knew what the protocol was. There came the numbing cream, and after the numbing cream was the microneedling. The microneedling was completely all over my face and neck. Then came the subcutaneous stem cell injections. The whole treatment lasted about 2.5 hours. This was non surgical. I got the stem cells three different ways. I got the subcutaneous, I got in the neck, and I also got the IV. This is a procedure with a protocol that it was only supposed to be 3 times. The surprise of it was how it helped me medically, but without a doubt, seeing the results on the aesthetic side and feeling the energy level. I had problems with rosacea. It got rid of that. I got the elasticity, the collagen, and the overall tightness. It was like turning back time. I felt renewed, refreshed. And I shared a video 1 month after with all our rock stars and got so many messages back because they were all wondering, what did I do? It was really the initiative to invest and partner with the Life Altering Stem Cell Institute and start Rockstar Health. Because I believe every woman and every man have the opportunity to turn back time and to rejuvenate and regenerate with the aging process. I think everyone deserves the secrets of youth. So if you want to tap in to the future of aesthetics that is right now and happening right now, I encourage you to reach out to me personally. If you're interested in learning more about the Stem Cell Institute and rocking your health and your aesthetics, reach out to me. You can connect right here on the website. I will connect with you and give you more information, and let's get you started on the road to rejuvenation.